Stop blowing up your account for no reason. Here's a small loss that I took today, and I handled it like a pro. Got off the charts, didn't crash out my account, didn't feel too emotional, didn't doubt myself as a trader. A lot of you guys come onto the market every single day with an emotional mindset. Oh, I have to win today. I have to run up some bread. You don't have to do anything. If you stuck to your entry criteria, you stuck to your stop loss, you stuck to your risk management, it's all you could be in control of. Let me show you the setup I took today. Happen to be a loser, and let me show you that sometimes you could have some nice charting marked out, and the setup just doesn't work. And it's about handling the loss, which is what differentiates a pro trader from a noob. So if you guys want to be pro, here's how you guys can handle losses better. Let's go. Yo, this is how you guys are going to be able to handle a small loss. I know you guys might be going through it in trading. Here's a loss I took today, and I want to show you guys the setup I took. So pretty much stuck to our criteria here. Had this area of support, waited for it to be broken and turn into resistance. So break and retest to the downside. So price broke, gave us a wick right here. Kind of gave me some downward price action. So I went ahead and got in. Stop loss did get hit, and it was what it was, guys. You guys can't be crying when stop loss gets hit. You can't be mad when stop loss gets hit because you have to remember how much you do win. So when you do keep in perspective how much you do win, understand that stop loss is going to be inevitable. Especially when you guys do streak from weeks at a time, stop loss is going to be inevitable. So make sure you guys are just playing for good, big risk reward ratios, and make sure you guys are catching your profitable setups and your profitable trades. Inshallah, if God wills. A lot of you guys are on here getting lost in the sauce. You guys are getting way too emotional. You guys are crashing out your whole account from just one loss. One loss turns into another trade, and then another trade, and then another trade. And then you guys pretty much can't do anything from there after that. So I want you guys to get into the mental framework of, okay, I'm profitable now. I don't have to do ridiculous, unscrupulous things in order for me to succeed. And that's what I just want you guys to understand truthfully. Okay? It's way too many of you guys getting too sad over a loss for no reason. Way too many of you guys blowing up your account after you just took a loss. Understand that it's going to happen. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. Sometimes the trend just isn't trending. I know there's FOMC and stuff like that today. That doesn't mean give up. That doesn't mean crash out. That doesn't mean go cry. That just means come back stronger. And it's just time to go harder, guys. So you guys are just getting too emotional. You guys are getting way too sad. And I just don't know why. I truly just don't know why. And I want you to just get into a better perspective, a better mindset, and just be more grateful. This is why I really do push the emphasis on believing in God, because God really does tell us to be extremely grateful no matter what we're going through. Um, a lot of you guys are just still struggling every single day with closing when price hits your stop loss. Close, close, close. Literally just close. All right? Just close. Don't trip. Literally, don't trip. Just close. You guys are on here still staring at it, still living on it. This is why as soon as I lose or win, I come, I do my recap, and I'm off. That's it. I'm off. I come here, I come on, I do my recap, and I'm off. All I can do is try. All I can do is try to put on size. And as long as I have my risk reward in place, I'm going to be profitable at the end of the day, inshallah, if God wills. So it's just about really accepting that one loss. And a lot of you guys can't break past that mental barrier of, oh crap, before I just lose all my money trading some nonsense on a nonsense day, let me just come on and dominate. Whether a win or a lose, whether a win or a loss, right? Whether a win or a loss, you guys count that as a win. If you stuck to your risk management, that's a win. If you stuck to your entry criteria, that's a win. If you stuck to doing your entry plan, what you need to do, that's a win. So what are you guys getting sad about? What's there to be sad about? There's so much work to do. We can get on tomorrow, try again. You could easily, boom, quintuple your account. Let's take our times. Let's take our time. Let's stay patient. Let's pray up with God. And all we have to do is just dominate. That's it, guys. All right? Just dominate. All we have to do is just sit down, grind, and we can just dominate. Inshallah, if God wills. A lot of you guys are just getting lost in the sauce. You guys are getting emotional. You're getting sad. You're crashing out. Like, crashing out, bro. Okay? Make stuff easy for yourselves. Don't make things hard. Okay? A lot of you guys make some things way too hard, and you don't need to be doing all that. Make it easy. Make it simple, make it clean, stay consistent every day, stick to your risk management, your stop loss, and like change your view. Understand that this is not the only trade you're about to take. This is not the only trade you're about to take. Okay? You have decades worth of trades to take, inshallah, if God wills. As long as you're on this earth, trading has been around for decades. And as long as you're alive on this earth, you're going to have a chance to come back, boot up your account, and inshallah, if God wills, run it up again. You guys have the ability to run it up again. Okay? Change your mindset. Change it. Change it. Get stronger. Get more resilient. Think about your loved ones in every single trade. Understand that when we're doing this, this isn't just for us. This is going to be for the people that we love. This is going to be for the people in our inner circle that we're trying to protect and provide for and take care of. We have a real duty. Will you stick to the plan? Or will you falter underneath any type of loss? Because we can't afford that. We need to be going hard, guys. All right? We need to be going as hard as we can every single day. You guys are absolutely fantastic. I love you guys so, so much. Let's keep dominating these charts. If you took a loss today, if you've been on a losing streak, don't crash out. Don't lose yourself. Especially recently. Market's been weird. If you guys are watching this at the period of April 10th, 2025, market's been a little strange. So don't trip if you've been losing, okay? It's part of the game. It's all part of the game. Relax, calm yourself down, mark out some key levels, catch your setup, man. All right? You guys are absolutely fantastic. I love you guys so much. StackMode.net for all trading education. And inshallah, if God wills, I'm going to catch you guys in the next one, man. I'm going to go grind out the rest of the day. Let's get this education and content out for you guys. And let's just grind, man. Peace. If you guys are looking for a cryptocurrency broker where you guys can trade crypto futures, altcoins, and meme coins, I recommend you guys head over to bitunix.com. You guys can either buy crypto straight up and buy your favorite coins using your card, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, XRP, etc. You guys also have the ability to trade futures as well, where you guys can either long or short cryptos such as Bitcoin, or even trade altcoins and meme coins such as Gala USDT. So you guys have a huge variety of what you guys want to trade, and the fees are pretty low as well. On bitunix.com, they also do give you guys a welcome bonus as well, where you guys can complete some very easy steps and get some free capital which you guys can trade with. There's also tons of trading competitions that go on that you guys can earn some capital to trade from too, and you can compete against your buddies. So if you guys are looking for a new crypto broker with low fees, fast transactions, and fast withdrawals, I'd head over to bitunix.com. Link in description below. Peace.